What's up? Alright, so first things first, we gotta take off this bracket right here. I mean, this little seat clip, and I think this seat clip too. And then we can go ahead and look at the look at how I'm gonna wire this thing up. But first thing is take these two seat clips off, so we can take off this piece right here. This piece right here. So let's go ahead and do it. Now, normally they say you need to jack this thing up, but I'm at a level where I don't need to jack up my WRX. Damn, this thing is like really rusted in here. No, this is not something I was expecting. Alright, I got one. Wait. So we do need to. Alright, cool. Alright, so I was watching the video on YouTube how they did it. So I have to put this bracket inside here first, and the screws hold on to the light, and these seat clip these black clips here, they hold on the outside here to the bracket. So these clips hold the bracket, and these screws hold the back of the light. So I have to put the bracket in first before I put the light in. So this is gonna be interesting. Hence the reason why I got my headlamp, because we need to make sure, we need to make sure that everything fits properly before I bring this wire up there. So that's the only way. So go ahead and I'll pause this video once I finish it, and then I'll show you guys what the well, not the finished product, but what it looks like once I get this bracket in there. Alright, so I had to remove these clips here. There's two, one here, and then there's one right here. So you can, oh, never mind. There's one up here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's this one right here. So, whoa. Oh crap. Oh man. That was not the time for this. Oh crap. Shoot. Man. Well, I gotta look for it. Definitely did not want this to happen, but it did. Oh my gosh, it was right here the whole time. Well, that was a pretty hefty spare tire there. Okay, now let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, just trying to put this on here. Okay, so now you guys can see this. Gonna have to go back and watch that video again, see how they wired it up, and then test it out. All right, so I got those clips in. Gonna be working on bringing this guy in here. I still gotta put the, where is it at? I still gotta put, oh yeah, let me show you guys what I did. Took off the liner, the trunk liner, everything. Now what I took off was this black, oh shoot. Trying to make sure you guys can see this. Took off this black tab here. This is where I'm gonna reroute the wire. The 4 wires that can come up here, then go into in here to the driver's side tail light. You have to remove those 3 C clips. So there's 1 clip here. Oh shoot! Let me see, show you guys better. 1 clip here. There's 1 clip here, and then the 1 clip here, and then comes off. So go ahead. I gotta go ahead and put these bolts in here. So oops, I'm sorry. It goes like this. So I already took off the sticker. Now oh, that's interesting. You know what? These bolts go in first before the C clips. That's what I just noticed just now. Because these C clips are blocking. Oh wow, yeah, they're blocking. So the C clips go in here, but I can't push the light all the way back in because the 2 clips in the sides are blocking. They're holding the bracket, or blocking the light going in. So I have to do this first. All right. Now, in case you guys are wondering, these are size 4 Allen bolts for the bracket, well, that connects inside the bracket to the light. These connect to the light, and the clips, these go first. The bolts go first, and then the black clips go to the bracket second. And then I already have the wire up here already. You can see how it came out of this. Okay, and it's gonna reroute all the way in here to the driver's side light. Alright, so that should do it, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, now in case you guys are wondering, these are size 4 Allen bolts for the bracket, well, that connects inside the bracket to the light. These connect to the light, and the clips, these go first. The bolts go first, and then the black clips go to the bracket second. And then I already have the wire up here already. You can see how it came out of this. Okay, and it's gonna reroute all the way in here to the driver's side light. All right, so that should do it, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, let me show you guys what this looks like back here. So you guys can see I got the 2 nuts back here. Now make sure you put the 2 Allen nuts first, and then you can see, oh crap, I'm trying to show you guys everything here. You can see one of the C-clamps, black C-clamps. So, and then we are gonna go on top, because I don't need my light. Oh, that's gonna, I actually gave this freaking thing a car wash today too, and it didn't do much. So wires right here. We need to grab the connectors in here. I'm gonna set this up here, hook it up, and then show you guys the finished product. What's up, guys? I think I got most of it done here. If you are doing it one wire, make sure you go to their website. Now, I had a hard time reading this, so if you go all the way to, if you scroll all the way to your RBLs, which is the wiring harness that you got, that this is the wiring harness right here. So they do offer a plug-and-play adapter kit. I didn't know that they did offer that, so I'm doing it manually. So one wire at a time. You get these wire taps. These purple wire taps go to the actual light harness on your Subaru, and then these light pink wire taps connect to your harness here. So these connect to the purple ones, and so what they do is they clamp on. They would clamp on, so I can show you guys. They clamp on, and then make sure you use a pliers or something to snap it on. And so what you do is you attach the white one. Now the white one is your backup, so you go down, you see your backup right here. So the chassis side, your backup would be the brown and white yellow strip. Same thing for the red, your fog harness, your RBL fog, which is the red wire on your harness, which would attach to the black and white strip. So it's a very, very simple method here. I had a hard time understanding this, so I finally picked it up after watching a couple of YouTube videos. So just make sure, if you are stuck on this, make sure you go back to their website here. And so New Provisions doesn't have that. You gotta go straight to their website, SMYperformance.com. And so like I said, if you don't buy the, it's an extra $12 for the plug-and-play harness, which I should have asked, but I didn't. So like I said, check this out, and I'll show you guys the finished product once I'm done. Alright, let's find out if this thing works. I got everything plugged in. Phone on here too.